Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chastity must be preserved. Meetings with spiritual beings are not to be fruitless. Divinity is beyond cause and effect. We are to ask questions to understand the spiritual narrations. Chosenness is not about birth order, but character. War disregards family and other types of relationship. Those who truly know their purpose don't give it up. The continuance of the tradition is by the transfer that has. Others maintain it in their mind. Divinity is present in all modes and elements. The same will liberate and reward some and punish others. The reality of forms belonging to divinity, qualities are names, and essence is only to be understood by devotional service, all of which is not for its needs, but ours. It is the vessels of our deputized that go or come. For festivals, the arenas and roads should be cleaned and decorated. The best time for alms is in festivity time. Baby killers won't stop fate. We think of certain conflicts that are going on in the Middle East, right? Some things can't happen if some are present. The demons may put on forms or perceptions to accomplish their task, but the non-human ones will have terrifying and horrible forms, as their real form. Fighting or punishment is for their actions. The spiritual master of the age is, whether humans and fire beings agree or not, the status of a being as good or evil is beyond one's perception. The speech of divinity contains the faculty of the universes. Parents may not know the reality of their children. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Green, black, purple. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.